Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Fire TV stick. Alright, let's begin. Screen mirroring your iPhone to a Fire TV stick is useful when you want to show apps, videos, or photos from your phone on a bigger screen. Since Fire TV stick does not support AirPlay by default, you need to install a third-party app. Start by pressing the home button on your Fire TV remote and go to the Apps section. Open the App Store and select Search. Type Fastcast and choose the official app. Select Get and wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open Fastcast from your apps list and make sure iPhone sharing is enabled. Now, pick up your iPhone and open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Tap Screen Mirroring and select Fastcast from the list. After a few seconds, your iPhone screen will appear on your TV. If Fastcast does not appear, make sure your iPhone and Fire TV stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both devices if needed. So that's basically how you can screen mirror iPhone to Fire TV stick. That's it for this video. Thanks.